Hi guys, it is the 13th of October and today's prompt is design your own money. Okay then. Excuse me. I'm going to use this fluorescent one because I can. What do we want to design? Do we want to design a coin? Let's design a coin. It's a little big. Let's make it a little bit smaller. That's good. And let's make it a little smaller yet. And one more time. Okay, so design your own money. You know, traditionally, money has some sort of famous historical figure on it. Most countries have political leaders on it. My money is going to not do that because, you know, it's me. And I'm going to do this brush pen. Is it the most effective way to draw a circle? Absolutely not. Is it actually the most wonky way to draw a circle? Probably. But I want one side to be thicker so it looks like a coin. Could I have done this with a regular pen and not a brush pen? Probably. But this is what I picked up. This is what I'm using. There we go. And then let's use this size for this part. Much better line with a regular pen than with the brush pen. The brush pen is a little soft and squishy. And we're going to make this a denomination size, this size. This one's going to be a 5. We'll make it a 5. And then we're going to make a mandala, I think. Because what's happier than a mandala? And we don't have to have a political figure on our coins. We don't have to have a historical event on our coins. We can just have pretty on our coins, can't we? Yes, we can. I am going to go this way. What did I do? Went like that, and like that, like that, and like that, and then I went in between that one, that one. Okay, I'm just not very even. That's okay. It's more of this one being off. And then that one, more like that. We're just playing. Do I have a design in my head? No, 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 I do not. Let's do do we have symbols on our coins that mean stuff? Absolutely we do. Symbols on our dollar bills that mean stuff. Could this mean stuff? Absolutely it could. Does it mean anything? Nope. Nope. It doesn't. And in here, we're going to make it I'm going to erase first before I get carried away here. I'm going to get rid of all those lines. Ooh. And then I'm going to, in here, put some spirals in silver. Got me a two-toned coin. Okay. Very shiny. like that shiny. Let's put some shiny all around the edge. It's going to have some sort of like, you know, on the edge of a US quarter. It's got that like texture. I'm going to do that, but not on the side, but on the top. We want our coins to be inclusive for all people. So we want to have a texture that people can tell the difference between all the coins at a just feeling. So the 5 will have some raised swirls there and a zigzag there, and my coin is going to be like an enamel, you know, like an enamel pin type of a coin. So it's going to have, this part is going to be black enamel. And I should have done a 3 because there's 3 of these little leaf shapes, not 5. I don't have a 5 on here anywhere. That makes no sense. Does it? No, it doesn't. See, these would be raised and smooth and shiny, a shiny black. With the bumpy silver. And guess what? It doesn't make sense that it's a 5. And who says we can't have a $3 coin? Nobody says the coin has to be 1, 5, and 10. I'm gonna make a 3. There we go. My coin is a 3. Design a dollar. Design your own money. That is today's prompt. See, super simple, super easy, quick and dirty. Trying to get a lot of them done today because I have so much to do and I'm so far behind. Vacation was awesome, but I got so far behind. I need to catch up. I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a great day. Do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place. Smile. Enjoy yourself. Life is too short to be grumpy. It just is. I don't understand the people who have to be so grumpy all the time. I've got a customer. Yeah, when he walks in, he's gonna complain every single time. How sad. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye.